Hey Gauri, do you know I found a poster stuck on wall? It was written that if you want to become IIT and IS officer and astronaut, so you can join us.
Oh wow, but where is it?
It is in Bada Bazar, Panna.
Alright, but what do you want to become?
I want to become an astronaut. And what do you want to become?
Actually, my aim is not clear, but I just want to be successful in my life and want to do something good. But astronaut is a great career. It's not only a job, it's a passion.
Oh, really? And becoming astronaut is my dream, and even when it is my dream since childhood.
Oh, that's great. Here I have a dazzling information. Do you want to know?
What? What is it?
You know, there is a exoplanet which has water in it.
Oh, yeah, that's really dazzling. But what is exoplanet?
Any planet that is outside our solar system is called exoplanet.
Oh, that's really great. I will note it down in my notebook.
Oh wow, you also have a separate notebook of universe. Me too have.
Oh, yes. I want to know some fact in your notebook.
So I have written so many facts. Some of them are like there are more than 200 moons in our solar system, and there are more than 1 lakh asteroids in our solar system. And my favorite one is that in 2006 Pluto was removed from our solar system, but nowadays scientists are saying that Pluto will definitely contain life in it after some time. Now tell me about your facts.
I have written so many facts, but some of them are that Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system, and Uranus is coldest planet in our solar system, and the best one is that there are so many black holes in universe that contain so many gravitational force. That's why they can take anything in it that come in front of it.
Oh wow, but do you know that black holes are formed because of a dying of a star? You know, like sun is also a star. When sun will die, it will also become a black hole.
Oh, it is wonderful. But when are you joining coaching?
Let's see, I'm not clear about it. I think I will join or maybe not. But what about you? When will you join?
I will join it next week. Thank you.
Oh, nice to talk to you. Bye. Have a great day.
Bye. Thank you.